Hi friends, this video shows how to allow install app from unknown sources. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner, go to privacy, go down, set security. Here you can see two options, scan apps with Play Protect, improve harmful app detection. If you enable the second option, improve harmful app detection, device will automatically send unknown app to Google for better scanning. Then Google says you cannot install this app because this is from unknown source. So if you are trying to install app from unknown source, better turn off this option. Done. You can also turn off this first option. Turn off these two options. That way you can allow install app from unknown sources. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.